Hi, I'd like to share with you today how to make a simple online coaching system that's absolutely free. It comprises a training diary that you can share with your clients to put their programs in, or maybe you wish to collect their food intake and let them post comments back on their training. There's also an online file storage in SkyDrive where you can keep documents, information sheets, nutrition and exercise programs, and you can share these with each client on an individual basis. The web versions of Word, Excel and PowerPoint mean that the files are readable from anywhere. As you continue to meet up with the client from time to time, the notes of the sessions can be kept in an online notebook along with records of sessions and payments. Another thing it gives you is a secure email with a unique name that you can use to exchange and keep correspondence with your clients. Outlook Mail will also integrate with Facebook and Google Chat. Maybe you would like to support them with a regular one-to-one coaching session on Skype too. The great thing is you can access this from home on a PC or on a number of tablets and phones too. The first thing to do is to create an account on Outlook.com. I'm using Outlook because it's not cluttered up with irritating adverts and there's no concern about my client information being mined and sold for targeting ads. You could use some other services to do this, but I'm showing you how this can all be done with Outlook. I'm going to create my account first of all by going on the Outlook.com website and registering my email address that I want to use and checking it's unique. Now I'm using my fitness coach at Outlook.com for this, as I think it sounds nice and would be nice to get a message from my fitness coach. So I have to enter some personal information to get this up and running, which takes only a few minutes. So there we are, all set up, and now we need to customize it for our clients and coaching system. First of all, I'm going to create some folders that I can share with each client that contains fact sheets about nutrition, some motivational guides, a copy of their coaching agreement, and I'm just going to call them client 1, 2, 3 and so on for this. Then I'm going to enter their contact details. Then I'm going to create a separate training diary for each one. I'm just going to fill one of them in here to show you how easy it is. I'm going to mark 3 weeks as a base building period and put some basic exercises in with some cardiovascular. So first of all, I mark up the first period by making it an activity 3 weeks long. Then I'm going to put some gym sessions in. I can put the details in the activity notes. Then I'm going to add a run. They can do it the weekend. And last of all, I'm going to put our one-to-one training and review sessions in and some Skype calls to check everything is okay. It gives me a chance to check if the program needs to be progressed or tweaked. Finally, I share this with them. They will get an email from me saying that I want to share the diary with them, and if they click on the link, they can see it all. If I log on to my own client account, I see that I have an invitation to the calendar and also to the document that I shared. Now I can see this on any browser, and the client can also link it in with their own diary on many devices for their convenience. Here is one I set up earlier. I've got my client folders, some paperwork in the client folder that's only shared with them. There's a diary for each client, and I can choose which client I view or get a picture of all of them. I've got an online notebook, and I can also create a notebook for each client or any other topic that I wished. So there we are, some free tools to make a simple online coaching system. Have fun!